Hi guys, another day. I'll show you a couple of new armour kits from Border. Now that we've had a big restock of them as well, so there's been a lot of additional stuff. Border's getting quite a good reputation for new kits. So let's have a look at a couple of their new ones. This is the Panzer WG4 J, basically another Panzer IV. As I said, the reviews of their stuff is going very, very well. So you've got a lot of choices. This is just the latest iteration of this. On the side, you can see the two colour schemes that you can do inside. I believe there's also actually the one on the front is the same one, and it comes with a commander and an infantry figure, or a couple of infantry figures. So that's pretty cool. So there you go. That's what you get in it. There's the kit. So that all looks pretty cool. So yeah, so it's 35th scale. As I said, just come in. So it's in stock at the moment. Jump online, have a look. You'll find her on there. So that's pretty cool. Now, the interesting one from Border, who are known for their armour, they've decided to go into aircraft. But interestingly, they're doing it in 35th scale. So this is going to be interesting to see how well this goes for them. 35th scale aircraft have always been a bit iffy, mostly because most people do it in 32nd scale. But what they're trying to aim at for is the guy that wants to do a 35th scale aircraft to go with other things. So if you wanted to do a crash diorama of a 109, you can actually use, say, American troops capturing it, or German troops stripping it, taking all the bits off because they're going to scrap it. You could do even an aircraft just parked with a pilot standing next to it and all the rest of it. Interestingly, in the box, you get a selection of little secret pieces. Now, it could be any of those items in the box, because what they've done, and I'll show you, see that little gold packet there? That contains something of them. Now, we can't tell you what's in there because A, we can't see, and we don't know. It could be any one of those 7 things. Just a little hint, we've checked all our kits, we know they're all in there. So if you get a kit, you're going to have to talk to a friend or mate or go online and see if you can swap it for something else. But as I said, it could be a pilot figure, it could be a standing figure, it could be a seated figure, it could be etched metal and rounds or rockets or propeller or whatever. So what's in there we don't know, but it's good fun finding out. But the actual kit itself is really well done. This is the clear parts and parts of the cowling, so all well packaged. I find it interesting they've packed them in together because I'm always wary of plastic moving around and scratching parts and everything else. The cowls, interestingly, are done in clear and standard. So there's your clear parts there, so quite good. The box is quite full. It's got quite a few bits and pieces in it. That's the fuselage, as you can see. What else? The detail's really, really good. They've sort of, with being 35th scale, they can sort of play around with it and put some more bits and pieces in it. So that's part of the cockpit, stuff like that. This is all just minor pieces for, this is wheels, rockets, all sorts of things, the rockets done in plastic. There's the wings. So there's your wing set. There's got detail for the wheel wells. So that's pretty cool. It's even got detail on the wheel inner part, so the top of the wheel well is there. So that's pretty cool. The panel lines are very, very nicely done. It's all basically riveted along as well. So in 35th scale, they've really gone to town to get it as good as possible. This is all part of your cockpit floor. This is part of engines there, so you can open up the cowlings a bit. There's quite a lot of detail for the engine as well, so how far you go with that is up to you. Decal sheet and instructions. So it's pretty comprehensive. Looks pretty good. There's looks like 3 choices of markings on there. So if you're looking to do a 35th scale aircraft, this will be quite good. They do have plans for more. I believe there's a Stuka to come, a Spitfire to come, Focke-Wulf 190 to come. So it'll be interesting to see how this goes for them, whether it's a winner or it's one of those things that'll be an also-ran because it didn't sort of really work. But look, it looks good. The actual kit itself looks very good, so it'll probably be a very good opportunity to do a nice kit. if you're into 35th scale and you want to do something different, then there you go. So that's it there. It's a G6, 35th scale, 3 choices of markings on it. So, and that's from Border. So, have a good day, and I'll talk to you again. See ya.